Since you're a valued customer, I want to share some exciting news that has not yet been made public. We just completed recording our newest entrepreneurial masterclass called How to Build a Superior Business, the 10 Secrets to Thrive in this Post-Pandemic Business Environment. Now, in this course, it was my honor to have been interviewed by a recent client. Well, actually, it'd be more accurate to say she grilled me, but she was eager to tap into my experiences to shorten her learning curve, and I was happy to help. Now, she has since gone on to launch her business using these top 10 secrets, which have been a tremendous advantage, according to her. Here are just a few of the 10 secrets that you'll learn from this amazing course. How do you know if you have the right personality to be a successful entrepreneur in today's climate? How do you know if you should have a product or a service business? What's more profitable in today's climate? What legal structure fits your needs now, and when's the right time that you should upgrade to protect yourself and your assets? Why are integrity, passion, and belief key to creating rapid and long-term business success? How do you find the right business mentor to shorten your learning curve and create the most rapid path to profit? Now, we're still in the editing phase, and this new video version should be released in the next 2 to 3 months. When released, the cost of the video version will be $297, and the audio version will be $147. However, since you're investing in yourself today, I'm going to make the audio version of my brand new masterclass available to you before it's released to the rest of the world. And you can add it to your order today for only $47. That's an instant $100 savings and no waiting for months for this valuable information. Remember, this course was created from 45 years of real-world business experience, and I've seen a variety of business climates, making this information priceless for your business success. So go ahead, grab it up today. This discounted price of $47 can't last. It won't be available after you leave this page.